So friends, if you are using Groww application and if you want to know how to change autopay in Groww app, then this video is for you. Now before going ahead, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. So in order to change autopay in Groww app, first of all, you need to open Groww app in your mobile phone. If you are using iPhone or Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now, once you go to home page, and if you have started a new SIP and if you want to set up new autopay, or if you want to set up autopay for the first time, then you can simply go to mutual fund, then go to SIP section over here, and whichever SIP you have started, you will get an option below that of setting up a new autopay. Now, I have already done that process, but if you have already selected an autopay option, but if you want to change it in future, then for that you can just simply go to profile section over here and then go to bank and mandate. Now over here, if you look closely, you can see I have added two bank account and one of them is my primary account. So my autopay is selected to my primary account. You can see autopay via OTP. So I have already selected my autopay over here, but I want to change it. In order to change autopay, all you have to do is, first of all, you need to add a secondary bank account. In your case, only a single bank will be visible over here on this particular page. To add another bank account, you can simply tap on add another bank. Either you can add bank account using UPay application, or else you can enter bank details manually. If you select bank details manually, then you can select your bank, enter your bank details manually, and you can add the account. Now once you add the bank account, this is how it will be visible on the bank account details page. Now if I go to IndusInd bank account, which is my primary account, there is no option to set up autopay because I have already done that. But if you go and select secondary account, you get an option of set up autopay. So in order to change your autopay, go to secondary account, select setup autopay, and on the next page you get some details. You can read it. Now you can see here it is given that get approval in 4 to 5 working days. So it might take time. Second thing is verify using net banking or debit card. So keep your net banking details or debit card details with you in order to change the autopay. Now you can tick this box and just simply select continue option. Now on the create mandate page, you will get basic information. You can read each and everything. You can verify it, and once everything is done, you can just simply tap on this box over here and submit the details. Now before that, you can also select the verification method. If you don't have debit card, if you have net banking login details, you can select net banking over here. If you don't have debit card or net banking, you can do that. You can use Aadhaar details as well. But in my case, I'm going to use debit card, and I'm going to tap on this box over here, and then I'm going to select submit option. Once you are redirected to the bank page, here you need to enter your card details and then just simply select secure login option. Now I have entered the card details. Let's select secure login option. Now you will receive a OTP on your mobile number. So you just have to enter the OTP over here and then select verify option. So I have entered the OTP. Let's select verify. And now you can check out the transaction details over here. What will be the maximum amount and all. Don't worry, this amount will not be debited from your account. It's just the limit Groww is taking permission for. So you can read each and everything, and once you do that, just simply tick this box and then select confirm. Now everything is done. Now you can see we have got a successful message saying that your autopay request has been submitted successfully, and it will take 2 to 7 working days for completion. And this is the autopay limit. Now before changing the autopay, make sure that your SIP installment is not nearby. If it is supposed to, the installment is supposed to go in 2 or 3 days, then you can change your autopay after that. So yeah, keep that one thing in mind. If we because if there is only 2 or 3 days remaining for your SIP installment, then it won't allow you to change the autopay. So in some cases it might get cancelled. So that's just for your information. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.